Hey guys, today let's learn how to enable search panel on Leonardo AI. So if you guys are using the Leonardo AI softwares and you guys want to go ahead and enable the search panel over on the website in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to basically do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. So if you guys want to go ahead and basically do this, all we need to do first is to launch the browsers, and I want you to search for Leonardo or the Leonardo AI website. And once you have done so, go ahead and access their website by, of course, logging into your account. All we need to do first is to tap on the three lines at the top right corner, and then let's tap on Launch App. Now, once we're here, let's go ahead and log on to our preferred account on here. In this case, I'm just going to choose Google or my Google account because this is basically going to give me the most easiest way to log into my Leonardo AI account. Just a few clicks, I can now go ahead and log in real easy. So once you're already done logging into your accounts on Leonardo AI, let's go ahead and proceed with, of course, using this application. So as you see, we are going to have the option to download the application. And in the case that you can't really see this search panel on here, whenever you swipe through the Leonardo AI dashboard over here, all we need to do is just keep on scrolling until we see it and until it shows up. But of course, it won't really be available on every user, since this is, of course, the problem with using the Leonardo AI website. The search bar is basically not always there, and if you try to find it by scrolling through your feed, you may or may not find it on your feed right here. So all we need to do in order for us to find this is to basically locate it by tapping on this three lines option. So as you see, we do have the home, community feed, personal feed, and a lot of different options as well. Let's try to tap on community feed, and as you see, the search button is going to be located right here. So as you do notice as well, the search button is not necessarily clickable, and we can't really use this to, well, search on the Leonardo AI website. It also says that the search is temporarily disabled. So basically, not only you guys are experiencing this problem, and most of the people who use the Leonardo AI website is going to be experiencing this problem as well. And my best advice for you guys to basically use the search bar again is to wait for the next update of course, the Leonardo AI developers to update the application again, so that hopefully you guys could now use the search bar once more. But if you want to go ahead and use the Leonardo AI search bar, you can go ahead and try to download the application that they have over on the App Store. So try to search for the Leonardo AI app over on your App Store. So let's search for Leonardo AI, and then let's see if it is actually available for us to download. So my advice is to go ahead and download this application right here, and it should show you, of course, a much more better interface, since it is going to be a mobile application, and the developers are of course enhanced and basically in tune to making a better user experience for those people in this specific application rather than a normal website. So from here, go ahead and just download the application to your devices and see if the search bar is available for you to use. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.